Yeah, I bet you think it's sweeter on the other side. Yeah, I bet you think you're nicer than the other guys. Well, why don't you go and find out for yourself? Yeah, don't let the door hit you on the way out. Yeah, you'll take 2 days, you'll think you're done and moving on, but I'll take 2 months to move along. So once you're gone, then you'll be gone. So goodbye, telling you I won't cry about you anymore. Yeah, no, but I bet you want me when you're out there feeling sorry, feeling lonely, when you're out there trying so hard to replace me. Yeah, I know you'll come crawling back down on your knees. Yeah, I bet you want me. You made some girl your wife. I'm sure you will think it's fine until you think back to the time when you were 25. You had me in your life. You don't know just what you got, but you realize you'll take 2 days, you'll think you're done and moving on, and I'll take 2 months to move along. So once you're gone, then you'll be gone. So goodbye, I'm telling you I won't cry about you anymore. You know, but I bet you want me when you're out there feeling sorry, feeling lonely. Yeah, when you're out there trying so hard to replace me. Yeah, I know you'll come crawling back down on your knees. Yeah, I bet you want me. Yeah.